Today, he broke my heart and left me in tears. One morning, while I was doing my daily routine work as the prefect of discipline, a learner who I called Lucky went missing for more than a week. He presented me his excuse letter indicating that his absence was due to stomachache. I gazed into his eyes and read that there is something wrong. I blatantly told him that he is lying. His eyes began to swell, which prompted me to invite him to the VIP room. He started to tell me his story. His parents were separated. The whereabouts of his father is unknown, and his mother is working as a dishwasher in the city with very meager wage. He, together with his younger sister, live alone on a 500 peso weekly budget for their food, for their fare, and other allowances. And this is very impossible to stretch. He didn't suffer stomachache. He suffered the effect of his parents' circumstances. From the 500 peso allowance, there was nothing left for him to serve as his daily fare since he has to commute daily from the residence to the school. Instead, he sacrificed for his little sister so that she could be able to go to school. At the end of the conversation, he left me with one line which stunned me. He said, "Sir, hindi ko na kaya." Thank you.
Thank you for that very moving story, sir. And as you know, that's multiplied all over the country because of structural poverty. And so these are really the stories that hit home. So even without any explanations, the story moves forward and straight to the heart. There were some